Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to bake a bread. This recipe is beginner friendly. I've given a very detailed explanation on each step and how your dough should look in each step. This recipe is very easy to follow. You can bake a bread whenever you wish to, so no more store-bought bread. Very easy and a very simple recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 1 cup of lukewarm water. To this, add 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. You can go with any type of yeast. Then to this, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix the yeast mixture well. Now it's nicely mixed, so let this rest for 10 minutes in room temperature. After 10 minutes, the yeast mixture is nicely activated. So to this, add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. This is regular cooking oil. Make sure the oil is well spread. Now it's nicely mixed and ready. Keep this aside. To another mixing bowl, I've taken 2/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. To this, add a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Then to this, add the yeast mixture and mix it well. It will be a little sticky in this stage, and that is how it should be. Sprinkle some maida or all-purpose flour in your work area and transfer the dough to it. Coat it well with the flour and make a smooth ball. Make sure not to knead it hard. When you do so, the bread will become very hard. You should be very gentle in mixing the dough. If required, you can sprinkle some more maida or all-purpose flour. Tuck in the edges and make a smooth ball. By now, the dough should no more be sticky. It should be very smooth and soft. Now it's ready. To the same mixing bowl, add a teaspoon of oil and transfer the dough to it. Close with the lid and let this rest for 1 hour in room temperature. It's been 1 hour, so let's open and check. The dough has doubled in size. Give it a punch. Sprinkle some maida or all-purpose flour in your work area and transfer the dough to it. Spread the dough to a square shape. Roll from one side. Tuck in both the ends and seal it well. I've greased a loaf pan and placed a butter paper on it. Transfer the dough to it. Smoothen the edges and make sure there are no hard edges or cracks. Now cling wrap it and let this rest for 1 hour. Now it's been 1 hour and the dough has again doubled in size. It's all ready to get baked. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Now our bread is out of the oven. Give it a 1 hour rest time. Then you can make slices and enjoy. You can have this delicious and soft bread right away and enjoy with your family and friends. You can store this bread in a bread bin and enjoy for 1 week's time. Very easy, healthy and a delicious recipe. This recipe is very simple and easy to follow. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.